This is Ken from Tortoise Capital with a review of the daily trading plan for October 5th, 2016. We're in bullish normal conditions on a long-term and a short-term basis. We're in the middle of neutral, a choppy market. There's almost no trending. What there is slightly bearish. The risk index is showing a slight favored towards swing trade possibilities as volatility declines. See, there's a handful of channeling and overreaction signals with 3M, United Health, silver, gold, and treasuries. 5 DDs in utilities, real estate, and gold. I feel like gold's well postured for a short-term recovery for tactical trading. Triple screen in Home Depot, 551W in Japan, and then a bundle of decent setups using the auto framer. You can see 3M offering almost 7-to-1 reward to risk. Let's take a quick look at that chart. So here's a quick look at 3M on a daily chart. Notice the declining dragon. It's broken down to Z3 2 days ago today. Nice recovery, held support at 171.5, so that puts 182 back in play. Previous times we've seen Z3 sell-offs. Nice recovery. Nice recovery. Nice recovery. Harsh sell-off, nice recovery. So this would be completely within character of 3M to oscillate like this. So the first test again, 177 would be the first target, 182 the second target. Nike has the same posture after this owl short, finding support here at 52, declining volatility. We want to set a stop down here. Looking for an entry about 52.80, taking about $1 risk, or maybe 80 cents. Targets being the RL 270, then the Bollinger Band mean, then Z2, then the top of the top of the dragon hump. Breakdown below here though is easily more of the same. So you can see that this is a critical state. I really like this posture in Nike. The last time it got to this price level, nice moves. When it gets to significant swing lows and then reverses, especially when it comes through the dragon. Lots of rooms to the upside. People can believe in that one easily. Lots to choose from here among the ETFs as well. Some channeling and overreactions and a whole slew of quality auto framers with some nice signals on the RSI too. Silver, the VIX, real estate. I wouldn't be surprised to see more follow through in metals and mining. XME. If XME can hold here at above 25, then what we would have is a low, a higher low, and then the next swing would take us up to almost 29. The top of the dragon up here, right at 29. So that's our short-term price target. Failure here takes it down to 24 even. So this is a nice critical state setup. All right, some charts of interest. Here we have EWZ on a 5-minute series. Let the morning shenanigans end, and around 11 o'clock, get a nice pocket entry here in an orderly fashion. Stop below the swing low of the dragon and the baby dragon, and get a very orderly move. Each of these highs is a new high, Each of these lows is a higher low until you get to the peak and pulls back. And now this time it does not make a higher high. So now we'll get the RLXD, make that cash. So you're entering about 34.70, cash in 34.95. You can play this with as little as a 10-cent stop. Next up, I'm sorry, XMA gives us essentially the same kind of pattern just before 11 with a 1, 2, 3 entries, finding support down here by yesterday's low, or yesterday's close, excuse me. And you know it's in play because of the size of that first 5-minute range is enormous. So now we got improving owl pattern all the way through, buying the pocket as it crosses the VWAP, stop just below the belly of the dragon, and a nice orderly move here, and an RLXD exit in the afternoon. So about a 25-cent move on a 10-cent risk. This is a hybrid frog in Treasury, so we're using 70% of the frog box from the open. Get this sharp sell off at 10, so we get short. Here's 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Go ahead, cash that. And that's your hybrid frog move of the day. Simple enough. Get the early, easier move. Here's a morning series in Tesla. Get a sideways quiet channel and a Z3 pinch. By the breakdown out of that channel with a stop above the Z3 line. Moves in an orderly fashion. Now it looks like an owl. And you buy the 1, 2, 3 exit or the RL crossing the dragon for a really nice move. $2.25 on about an 80-cent risk. Almost 3 hour. And then, if you're so inclined, play the next series. You get triple bottoms in here, grinding upward starting. You can buy the pocket with a target of 1, 2, and 3 to the upside with a stop below the Z3. That Z3 excursion, and now up to the pocket entry and an owl here, leads to this move, a reversal from 210.40 all the way up to 211.60, so $1.20 on about a 50-cent risk. Nice and orderly trade. Rounding out the day with the Tesla in the afternoon, with an extremely tight sideways quiet channel, making this a Z3, a quarter of a frog box. So we can buy the breakout from the Z3 line, stop above the Z3. This just grinds down into the close and take your exit anywhere in here for a very favorable trade. So good day for Tesla. That's Ken Long at Tortoise Capital. We showed some samples of hybrid frogs, Z3 pinches, RLCO, standard patterns, pockets, and owls, all by the numbers routine. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry. Take good care.